Effective rent in action. Picking up where we left off, we now have all the components that allow us to calculate effective rental income. What we write next is going to have nothing to do with assumptions. It's literally just adding up all the stuff here for year 1, all the stuff here for year 2, and all the stuff here for year 3. Let's type effective rent. And for year 1 equals potential rent plus vacancy. I'm adding vacancy because we have a negative number there for vacancy. If you subtract the negative, it makes it a positive and adds it. So if you're combining a positive number with a negative number, just add them. Plus collection loss. Enter. $35,640. That's our effective rent. The property has the potential to produce $39,600, but based on our risk-reducing measures of vacancy and collection loss, we're actually likely to collect $35,640. Let's copy this formula across. Clicking on the lower right-hand corner, we dragged and copied across. These are formulas, so we're going to leave them black, just to differentiate effective rent, which is the combination of everything above it, from everything above it. Let's make a line on the top here. You know how normally when you add things or subtract things, you put a line and then have the total? That's kind of what this is. Effective rent is the total of everything above it. And we're done. One other thing that I might have done, instead of typing plus so many times, there's an Excel function called sum. And here's how it works. We get the same number. This is 35,640 equals sum, open parenthesis. Just select everything you want to sum, close parenthesis, and it gives you the same number. And then I'm going to drag this over, and everything remains the same. It's just another way to get the same thing. Over and over, you're going to see different ways to do the same thing in Excel. Ultimately, it'd probably be easier to have just one way, and you may see me doing things you don't understand. Just do it however you want to do it. As long as you're getting the right answer, that's all that matters. Great job.